beware, okay? Beware, and I say that because I constantly keep sounding the alarm and keep trying to tell people, and I'm gonna continue to do that because I think that's what I'm supposed to do. No, I know that's what I'm supposed to do. No matter, you know, who try to stop me or whatever the naysayers say and all that type of stuff. But okay, this thing that's going on with Israel and Iran. Listen, I know they are other countries, and a lot of people is like, but that ain't us. That ain't us. Ain't got nothing. You gotta look at how when things go on in another country, special wars and stuff, you gotta look at when the things that's happening far as the U.S. is, you know, giving weapons and different things like that to help out certain countries, help out people that we're good with over there when it comes country-wise, when, you know, the U.S. is in good with this country or that country or whatever. You got to understand the mindset of these other people, the people that is considered to be the enemies. You got to look at the mindset of them and what they do, what they are saying they will do, and their little warnings and stuff. I always say, just because something have never happened does not mean it cannot happen. And that goes with anything. And when you are looking at all these wars, you look at how many wars, how many people have lost their lives, families and stuff like that. They are still human beings no matter what country they are in. Look at when this thing started with Ukraine and stuff like that. Look at how them people was affected. They didn't have food. They didn't have water. You saw kids and stuff out there. I saw one little boy, they did a video on it. He was pulling grass. That was his food. He was putting grass in a bowl. You got to look at that stuff. You just cannot sit back and say, oh, that's another country. That ain't got nothing to do with it. Do you not understand some of our stuff come from these countries? And the country starts with a C. We get a lot of stuff from them. You got to stop and look at, okay, we grow a lot of stuff over here. We have food and stuff over here. But a lot of food and stuff comes from that country. You also got to look at a lot of machinery and parts and stuff like that comes from other countries. And if something were to happen, these people get mad, this, that, and the other, and we cannot get imports and stuff over here, there will be shortages, okay? There will be shortages on just not food, just not, you know, ways to have clean water. And there will be, not just in that way, there will be shortages of things that we need, our essential items, okay? So, every day somebody is getting attacked or in some kind of way when it comes to these other countries. Things are being done that we wouldn't even thought of, okay? When you look at the Iran and Israel, look at Israel and Iran. Look at that's going on, y'all. You know, the way everything went down and is going down over there, you got to pay attention, and you got to know that you need to be doing something to try to help yourself in case you have to stay sheltered in place, which will be wherever you live at. That may be your house, and that what you don't have in your house or, you know, your location, you're just going to be out of it. You're just not going to have it. It is too much going on. It's like it's being wrote out there, just being wrote every day. And you got to put two and two together and see what the deal is, okay? Now is not the time to slack off your prepping. Please beware that this is not the time to slack off your prepping, okay? Let me address something else too. Y'all see, I've been doing a different live streams, trying to find my way with that, but I'm trying to have it to where when something happens, I can get that news up, you know, on that feed or whatever without having to stop it, okay? They went through a lot of obstacles or whatnot. A lot of people is asking me what is going on. You may see me put a cam up of a foreign country, live cam of what's going on. It's for you to see. A lot of people is asking me, what is the flight tracker for? Well, you can track certain flights and stuff like that. Flight tracker allows you to track planes. You can track. It's a lot you can track. Okay. And then you have the air-rated map, which it shows you when a country is under attack or whatever, to light up in different ways, whether they under attack, whether there's a warning or whatever the case may be. and it'll light up in those things. So that live screen is set to be a constant watch. I do add some scanners on there for entertainment, just to give you something else to look at or whatnot. I am trying to get my chicken cam back up. It kept going out. Like I said, a lot of technical issues. The reason why you see me restart, and then I'm still learning the OBS system and stuff like that. So that's to answer y'all questions. Pop in, pop out. You may catch me in it, you may not catch me in it. Leave your messages there. If you got quick questions for me, leave your quick questions over there on the live screen that is constantly running. Okay, let's see what else other than prepare. Okay, we got to prepare. So let me go and get off of here. That's what I wanted to bring, and just touch bases. Maybe it'll click with somebody, get you some food and some water, some canned goods up in your home. Okay, y'all be safe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, if this God's will. Mwah. Bye.